Hi, I'm Laurel from Laurel's Originals, and today I want to show you how I replicated designs from two black and white cotton throw rugs onto hand-painted canvas. I hope you enjoy it. This is the first cotton rug that we received. You can see it's quite worn out. The color's faded. The brightly red colored red threads have come loose or come off. So the first thing I did was trace the designs, and I applied them to the painted canvas and painted over these designs. This is a trace design that I created a stamp to go on top to give the lines more texture and movement and life and closer to the original design. And as you can see here, we have the brightly colored where the red threads were, different colors. I used gray and black to give it more life and texture. And you can see all of the painted designs. Here is the second rug. It's not quite as faded as the first one, but she wanted it on canvas. I experimented painting a fringe on this one, and she liked that idea, so we went ahead with a painted fringe. We had stamps, black on white, white on black, and I also used this sponge brush to apply lines, which was part of the design. And this was actually some padding that I had. I thought it was an interesting texture, so I tried it as a stamp, and I thought it would give more movement and life and texture instead of just solid black areas. And as you can see, it has an interesting design, and it came out really well on the rug. And here is the finished rug, again with some gray added in, brightly colored red stripes, and the textures from the different materials and tools that I used. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.